Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. My name is Christian, and as always, very welcome from Hamburg, Germany, where we are preparing ourselves for the live market opening trade with the DAX. Looking back to yesterday, where we had a bank holiday in Germany, so-called Pfingstmontag, and the stock markets had a very decent rally. The Dow Jones by the end of the day around 300 points plus, so very strong performance based on the let's call it lesser tensions from America to China in regards to the trade war. So nonetheless, 8.54 at the moment, and well, the market going up already, so we need to hurry up a little bit to prepare our box lines, which I'm going to place around the current price. Our risk for the first trade, as always, 0.2%. The take profit is calculated with 0.10%, and we are now activating both pending orders. The buy pending order on the top side, the sell pending order here on the bottom side, and yeah, let's wait for another 5 minutes until the market is going to open at 9 a.m. So be back then. So, and we are already in our first trade, so much earlier than expected. So the blue line represents our take profit. So 5 seconds to go, and 1 second to go. We just need one more point and that's it. So very quick trade today. Successive winning trade or consecutive winning trade number 398. So yeah, sometimes it can go that fast. So yeah, have a great week ahead, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at around 8:50 a.m. German time for another live market opening trade. Thanks very much for watching, and if you're happy, subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.